Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Everyday AI. Yes, I'm planning to create a series on everyday AI tools. Why? Because many AI tools are being released every day, but many people don't know which tools are used for what. Because many people may think all the AI tools do the same thing. Is it true? But that is not true. Some AI tools are for best for writing. Some of them are best for searching information. Some AI tools are excellent for handling the images, audio, and video. And some of them are more useful to get the more accurate information from the sources. Which AI tool is best for which type of work? Yes, that's why the main purpose of this series is to know which AI tool is best for our work. Let's explore all the AI tools one by one in this series. Thank you and subscribe for the more AI related videos.